So the question is there any norm to be followed by the promoter or the founder or the owner of the business with regard to plowback of the profits? Now, let me tell you, there is no norm as such anywhere in the world as to how much profit should a promoter or owner or founder must plow back into the business. But to understand answer of this question is very simple. How much profit should you plow back into the business will depend on the drive of the owner of the business or the founder of the business or the promoter of the business. So if you want to grow your business by leaps and bounds, what will facilitate? Whether plowing back plowing back the profit will facilitate, or withdrawing the profit from the business will facilitate. So the answer of course is plowing back of the profit will facilitate. And therefore, as a new business, new enterprise, as a startup, your endeavor must be to plow back as much profit as possible back into the business. Why? Because that is what is going to give strength to your business, because you would be able to, with the plowing back of the profit, you would be able to expand your operations, take care of the technology, leadership, innovation and things like that. So there is no norm as such, but this is what you should do. Plow back as much as you can. Please remember, the history is full of such examples. I am sure you will know this. Bharti Airtel, for first 10-12 years of the company's existence, did not pay any dividend to the shareholders. It was plowing back the entire profit back into the business. And it's not the shareholders were unhappy. Shareholders were still happy. And why the shareholders were still happy? Because since the company was plowing back the more profit, company was growing at a faster rate. Since the company was growing at a faster rate, the market price of the company's share on the stock exchange was rising. And therefore the shareholders, what is more important is not the 10-12% of the dividend that they would receive, but the 20-30-40% increase in the share price that will happen. So this is how is answer to your question. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, sir, absolutely. Thank you. Just one follow-up question, and I'm sorry if I'm taking time.
No
Is there
worries.
any other parameter on the balance sheet and the profit and loss which can tell me as an investor or as someone looking at a company's balance sheet besides dividend?
Yes,
Is there an indicator that tells me that the company is plowing back more profit into its growth?
yes, we are coming to that. So once I finish the
Thank
P&L, when I come to the balance sheet, and I'm going to focus on this question itself actually.
thank you.
Yep. Okay. Very good.